Hey, what's going on, guys? Coming to you today with an unboxing and information video. We decided we wanted to try to offer 360 home tours to our real estate photography, and to do that we needed a 360 camera. And doing the research, we found that the Theta SC2 Business would give us pretty good quality at an entry-level price, and that's what we opted to go with. After I dug around online, I found out that they offer this camera in refurbished. Now, at first I was a little bit skeptical, but I went ahead and went for it and clicked on the link and started doing some research and found that this refurbished camera actually comes straight from Ricoh. So that tells me right there it's coming straight from the manufacturer. I don't have to worry about it. It's not coming from some third-party company or something to that extent. But that's why I wanted to shoot this unboxing video, is to let you know this camera retails for around $329 by itself. You can't find it on Amazon, or at least I couldn't at the time of this video. The only place I could find it was through a couple of different websites and through Ricoh themselves. Now, the business edition is a little bit different. It's got a couple of different features in it that we preferred to have. Part of it is a time delay timer where it shoots one side and then shoots the other, make it a little bit easier on us. But I brought this video to you so we can unbox this and you can see what you actually get from a refurbished unit. You can see here it's just plain brown packaging with an orange label on the end of it. It does say refurbished right there on the end of it. We're going to get it open here and see what we actually get in the box. My understanding is you get everything with this that you get with a new camera, which should be all your information, booklets and instructions, a case, a cable, and the camera itself. That's what you're going to get when you buy the new one by itself. So we've got a registration card here for their refurbished products. They got a 90-day limited warranty. Don't know if registering it will actually extend the warranty or not. We'll have to check into that. The next thing we've got here is their refurbished inspection sheet. They go through everything. They put your camera number on here and do everything with the physical inspection, Wi-Fi connection, accessories, clean and adjust firmware, update, repack. So this is their checklist, and you can see down the side here it's all checked. So they've done their checks on it for the refurbished. Here is our notice with all of our basic information in it. Most likely going to be like a quick start guide. Gives you kind of a layout of the menu, and then you actually get the full guide here. Now this is in multiple languages, so it looks really thick, but there's really just a short portion of it that's in English. Matter of fact, I believe right here, that's it. That's the whole thing in English. So not a whole lot to this camera. It's pretty self-explanatory. We'll get this opened up and bring this package out. Looks like here we're going to have the camera itself. And there you go. That is the Theta SC2 Business. I don't see anything. Oh, a little piece of lint there. Let me knock that off. I don't see anything wrong with this camera. There's not any scratches. There's definitely some lint on it. Probably from that little packaging and from the cardboard and stuff. We just wipe that stuff off, and you can see here all the buttons are nice and clean. Everything's intact on the side. We've got our micro USB and ⅛ port on the bottom for mounting, and it does have microphones in the top. I don't know how well this does on video. That's not necessarily what we've got it for, but that is going to be the camera itself. And then further down in the box, we've got a charge communication cable, micro USB. Looks like it might be maybe 18 inches, 16 inches, something like that. It's not super long. The next thing is the case, and I'm going to talk about that more in just a second. And we've got a cardboard sleeve, and that's it. That's everything that's in the box. That's what you get with the camera. If you bought this camera new, you're going to get the exact same things. You get the case, the cable, the camera, and the documents that come with it. But this is one of the things about the SC2 Business Edition. It comes with this zippered case. They got a little foam pad in here to take up space. We'll kick that off to the side. And then we can put this camera down inside of this and actually zip it closed. Now it's got a little lanyard hook on it here, and it's got a belt loop hook on it here if you want to put it on your belt. I don't know. I guess some people like to do that. I don't know. But the thing of it being is this case actually zips closed, so the camera can't fall out of it. It stays in this case protected and padded. The SC2 standard edition that's not business, if I understand correctly, and if I'm wrong, definitely comment down below and let me know, but it only has a slip sleeve. In other words, it's just open on the end, and you can slide the camera in and out of it, and you run the risk of it falling out or something to that extent. But guys, listen, that is it. That is what you get for refurbished. Oh, and did I mention the price on this was $219? Retail's $329. Refurbished was $219. So $100 savings right off the top just by buying refurbished from Ricoh. We're going to get this thing out, get it tested, learn how to do all the configurations and stuff for it, and start just doing our 3D Matterport tours with it, 3D home tours for Zillow, things of that nature. So stick with us. We'll be coming to you with more videos on more products, as well as information on this camera of how it turns out and how it works for us. Give us a thumbs up. Drop comments or questions down below, and by all means, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. We want you to stay with us and stick with us when we come out with new videos, and be sure to hit that bell so you get notified. But as always, thanks for tuning in.